I have drawn four clocks in the circular shape. It's not in proper circle shape, but you draw by taking the some circular object only, not like this. Draw properly. Four clocks.
Ma'am,
Either it can be square or it can be circle also. Yes, yes, very nicely she is drawing the clock. Viha. Very good, Viha. And then,
I have done by hand circles.
okay, good. Let me pin Shivani. Yes. Now I want to tell you one important thing. After drawing the circles, then how to write the numbers in the clock. Always remember, first you put the 12 and the opposite of 12 you will put the 6. Then you put 3 and the opposite of 3 is 9. तभी आपका clock proper clock होगा. लक्ष्य डोला, are you clear with this? अगर आप numbers randomly ऐसे ही उल्टे लगाओगे 12 1 2 3 4 5 and your 6 is coming here, then your clock is wrong. कभी आपने ऐसे देखा है क्लॉक को 12 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then 6 is coming here, 6 is not coming opposite to 12, then your clock will be wrong. Always see this here, proper clock is when opposite of 12 is 6, opposite of 3 is 9, तब आपका प्रॉपर क्लॉक बनेगा. अगर आप रेंडमली कहीं भी कुछ भी नंबर लिख दोगे, योर क्लॉक विल बी रॉन्ग. एम आई क्लियर मोक्ष पटेल? मोक्ष, ड्रॉ 4 clocks in your notebook.
What, ma'am?
Draw 4 clocks in your notebook. 4 clock ड्रॉ करने हैं, either in circle shape or in the square shape in your maths notebook. Lakshya Dola, are you doing? Moin Kuledi, are you doing your work? I will see at the last everyone's 4 o'clock. I will check.
Ma'am, I can make the clock with pencil.
Naturally, you need to draw with a pencil only, not with the pen. Draw clocks with the pencil only, everyone.
Ma'am, which heading we have to write?
Draw. The heading which is given in your worksheet, no? Today's worksheet, Asta. When you open in your folder, worksheet number 8, I think. No, worksheet number 3 or 4 it is. Yes. So when you open that worksheet, you will see the heading.
Hello, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. It's three, ma'am. I'm doing. To write the hands in any number. Hands.
Yeah. Now draw the hands with any number and explain me that, ma'am, I have drawn the hands with this number and this is the time it is showing. I will start one by one. Viha, tell me what time your first clock is showing if you have drawn the hands.
Ma'am, I have not drawn the hand.
For example, in my clock, I have drawn the hands 6 o'clock. So my short hand is on 6 and the long hand is on 12. This way you can draw any timing in your clocks and tell me and explain me.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, I'll start with the next child, Harsh Keshwani.
Ma'am, we have.
Yes, ma'am.
Harsh Keshwani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi. Yes, Vedi. What? Vedi, Dheer, everyone want to speak together. Their mics are on.
Ma'am, I want to use the heading. I can see the heading.
Heading is already there.
Draw hands.
Yes, Vedi.
Ma'am, I had a doubt. We have to write AM also and PM also.
No.
Okay. And we have to write numbers in the clock only, no?
You only draw the hands. Yeah, numbers and the hands.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Arush Miani.
Ma'am, is this right clock?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me pin you. Yeah, it's right. But the numbers are right. Written opposite to 12 is 6 and the opposite to 3 is 9. Yes. And you can write any number on the draw the hands according to the time.
Correct. Ma'am, see my first clock is right.
One by one I will pin you. First I am pinning. Yes, clock is right. Now tell me the time. What time you want to put, Pritika, in this?
Ma'am, it's 9:30.
And where will be the short hand and where will be the long hand?
Ma'am, shorthand will be at 9
Hmm.
and the big hand will be at 6.
Now see, we will practically see when it is 9:30. It is coming
Ma'am,
exactly
9 and 10 is
in
the small one
between
is
9.
9 and 10 between
Yeah, in between 9 and 10, and the long hand will be exactly on 6.
6.
See, I'll tell you the logic behind this.
I have done the
Nine,
time.
between में our hand कब between में आता है? As soon as it pass the quarter pass करने के बाद वो धीरे धीरे our hand next hour की तरफ shift होने लगता है. Now see 9:25 it slightly move. When it is 9:30 वो और भी move कर गया. 9:35 9:40. So you can see here practically the hour hand keep on slightly moving towards the next hour. Can you see here? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
कब से शुरू हुआ ये हुआ 9:15 के बाद. क्वार्टर पास करने के बाद से धीरे धीरे आवर हैंड नेक्स्ट आवर नंबर पे शिफ्ट होना शुरू हो जाता है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट चाइल्ड.
And can you see my?
What time your clock is showing? Your both the hands are looking same, Dhwani. There is no differentiate between the short hand and the long hand.
Hello,
I have done
I
the
will
worksheet. It's okay if I not do.
No problem, it's okay. I will see your worksheet.
Okay.
Yes. So what time your clock is showing, Mohammed Momin? First clock.
yes, my first clock is showing 6 o'clock.
So where is short hand and where is the long hand?
Ma'am, its shortened hand in 6 and the bigger hand is in 12.
Okay. Next clock is showing what time?
Ma'am, next clocking showing 5:10.
5:10. So where will see, children? I am moving my clock also. He said 5:10. So let's see where will be the short hand, Mohammed. Let me tell you. You tell me.
The small one has in 5 and the bigger hand is in 2.
Yes. If he's saying 5:10, don't think that 10 will the long hand will be on 10. No, it's 10 minutes because the long hand shows the minutes, and when it is minutes means it will be on 2. We can see practically by moving this watch and see what is the how it will show the timing.
Ma'am, I have next also.
Yes, next. What is the timing in the next one?
Ma'am, next is 9:5 because the small one is in 9 and bigger hand is in 1.
Very good. And children, again, wait a minute, Araf Apani, wait. Very good, Mohammed. Children, again I am repeating, wait Harsha, I will check. Again I am repeating, please, your hand should clearly should be visible that कौन सा छोटा है, कौन सा बड़ा hand है. ये नहीं कि you will draw or both the hands similar, then you are, that will be wrong. Yes, Harsh Keshwani is, what time your clock is showing, Harsh?
Hello, ma'am, my 1 clock is not done.
Ma'am,
Okay, it's
7:25.
okay. I have checked your concept.
Ma'am, 7:25.
Good, good. Araf Apani, now speak.
Ma'am, see my clock.
Yeah, Araf Apani, but your short hand and the long hand is not clearly, and your long clock is also not proper. Teda meda bana hua hai. As I told you, take some circular object and then draw. Okay? You are clear, but make it properly. Yes, Hare. Hare, please show me. What time your first clock is showing, Hare?
12:30.
Where is the
hand is in
show me 1 minute ऊपर करना. No, 30 में आप देखो आपकी ये कैसे जा रही है. I will show you practically here. 12:30 में कैसे जाता है. Put it down. Put it down. शॉर्ट हैंड
correct.
आपका टेढ़ा जा रहा है, योर लॉन्ग हैंड इज गोइंग कंप्लीटली स्लैंटिंग वे में जा रहा है, देन योर आंसर विल बी रॉन्ग. सी आई विल प्रैक्टिकली शो हियर कि 12:30 पे कहां पर होगा लॉन्ग हैंड एंड वेयर विल बी द शॉर्ट हैंड. सी नाउ, आपका जो 6 पे है वो दैट इज गोइंग स्लैटली 5 की तरफ जा रहा है, विच इज रॉन्ग. It will come like this straight, and you can see here the 12 shorthand has started moving towards 1. 1 की तरफ धीरे धीरे मूव करना शुरू कर दिया है. क्यों? As I told you before also कि 15 के बाद after quarter past धीरे धीरे our hand next number पे मूव करना स्टार्ट कर देता है.
Excuse
When
me.
it is half past 12, then it slightly move. When it is coming quarter to 1, then थोड़ा move होगा, and exactly 1 वो exactly 1 पे आ जाता है short hand. Am I clear to you all? Okay. Next child.
Ma'am, see mine.
Wait, Astha. Yeah, Astha, I've pinned you. What time your clock is showing? 12 o'clock. Very good. Very nicely she has done. Very good. And it is
Ma'am, now I can show.
3:45. Very good. Very nice. You did it by your own?
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent.
Ma'am,
And very neat work also we can see. Yes, Pritika, show me.
Yeah.
What time your clock is showing? In the first clock, it is 8:15.
Yes.
In the first, then it is wrong. 8:15 is not like this.
Ma'am, it's 8:45.
Show me. 8:45 is also not like this.
And
No,
ma'am, in first
it is showing 7:45 in your clock.
excuse me, Renu ma'am.
8:45 means your shorthand will be where, Pritika? 8:45 means quarter to 9.
Yes.
So where will be your shorthand? I'll show you your practicals. You see, your shorthand will be right now. Your shorthand is where? Tell me.
Between in 8 and 9.
हाँ तो exactly 8 and 9 में मुझे दिख नहीं रहा था. It is showing that it is on 8.
Okay.
It should be in between 8 and 9, and it is more closer to 9, not more closer to
8.
8. It should be more closer to 9. Can you see?
Yes.
Exactly, both are on 9.
Same.
Yes, both are on 9. So it is 8:45 and quarter to 9. Yes, then I'll pin the next. Viha is showing something. Yes, Viha, what your first clock timing?
Ma'am, my first clock timing is
1:40. Show me again.
1:40.
1:40. Then your shorthand is exactly on 1. It is showing, but it should not be exactly on 1. It should come in between 1 and 2.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना, क्योंकि 2 बजने वाले हैं. As I told you, quarter past के बाद जो है our hand closely. Yes, Aravapani. What time your clock is showing, Aravapani?
3:45.
Yes. Very good. Very neat work now.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
As I was discussing with Hiya, 1:40 will be like this. It is coming more closer to 2. Can you check here? You have corrected?
Yes, ma'am.
Erase and correct. You have drawn with a pen or what?
Yes, ma'am. I thought we have to draw the hands with
Hands also with the pencil.
Ma'am, mine is correct.
Let me pin. What time your clock is showing?
The first clock is showing 7:50 and the second clock is showing 9:10.
Yes, correct. So your today's worksheet will be based on this only. After the class, you can turn on your worksheet, turn in, and then you can do it in the worksheet only, either by Google Docs or take the print. If you draw the hand clocks in the notebook, it will take more time.
See now my watch is ready.
Okay.
Ma'am, can
Now,
I show you?
after a minute, okay, first we discuss the textbook exercises, then can we discuss after that? Open your textbook page number 35, everyone. Open. Vihan, Vyas, yeah, Shivani, Shivangini, please turn on your camera. Everyone, let me take the attendance for a minute and then I'll explain it. Page number 35. Yes, Vedi, I'll see after this. Page 35. Mute yourself, everyone. Okay.
Ma'am, may I drink water?
Yes, please. This was the page number which we have already discussed about this. Yes or no, Pamposh and Shazia?
Yes.
So what
Yes,
time Shazia is telling in this story? What time she reached to school?
7 to
7:10.
According to Shazia is 7:02. But
7:02.
is she correct?
No, ma'am.
No,
So
ma'am.
what time she is reaching to school?
7:10.
7:10.
7:10.
Yes. Now go to the next page. Points to remember, which is very much necessary for you to remember these points. Am I clearly audible to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Standard unit to measure time is, which is the standard unit, which is the smaller unit here to measure the time is seconds.
Ma'am, there is no page like this.
No, but these are the notes prepared.
Okay.
Other units to measure time are hour and minutes. 1 hour equals to how many minutes, students?
60.
60.
And 1 minute equal to how many seconds?
60 seconds. 60 seconds.
So in one hour, how many minutes? You told 60 minutes.
Yes.
So in 1 hour, in 60 minutes, how many seconds?
Ma'am, 3,600 seconds.
Excellent. 3,600 seconds. 60 for the 1 hour, 60 minutes. And 60 minutes multiplied by the 60 seconds. 60 multiplied by 60 is 3,600 seconds. But 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Half an hour equal to how many minutes?
30 minutes.
30. And quarter means?
15 minutes.
15. And 1 minute equal to how many seconds?
60 seconds.
1 day equal to how many hours?
24 hours.
And how many hands in a clock?
3 hands.
One hand is, short hand is,
RN.
long hand is,
Minute hand.
Minute hand.
and the hand which is long but moving very fast is the,
Second hand.
Second hand. Second hand.
go to the next. And always remember we are after 12, when the minute hand is on 12 and after 12 the minute hand is moving, we are counting the table of 5. When minute hand move from 12 to 1 is 5 minutes, 12 to 2, when it is on 2, 10 minutes, when it is on 3, 15 minutes. Keep on adding and telling the table of 5. Now go to the next. We always write hour first and the minutes next. है ना? हमेशा ऐसे ही बोलते हैं ना 5, 5:15. So 5 is what? 5 is the hours and 15 is the minutes. Or if I say 5:30, so 5 is the hours and 30 is the minutes. So always we write hours first and minutes next. And this is the textbook page which is given in your textbook. Open, everyone. There are 3 friends. Read the time for a clock. Children, in this they have not used properly the hands, but I tell you the short hand is on 3 and the long hand is on 12. So what time it is showing?
Ma'am, 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. So take 3 o'clock pe time tick karo. You, Pinky, who is right? Pinky is right.
Pinky is right.
Tick Pinky. Just a minute. Next is the short hand is in between 5 and 6 and the long hand is on 7. So what time it is?
Ma'am, 5:35.
5:35. Go to the next. Short hand is on 7 and the long hand is on 3.
7:15.
7:15. So we can say that in all the questions, who was right?
Pinky is right.
Pinky is right in all the criterias. Turn the page number, next page number. And this is the question given on your textbook, page number 37. Show the following times in the clock. So start drawing the hands in the clock fast. And one by one, tell me the answer. If it is
Ma'am, I
3,
can see the first clock.
yes, Pritika is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Pritika. First clock.
Ma'am, the
Where
short
will be
hand
the
will
short
be
hand?
short hand will be at 3 and the long hand will be at 2.
Very good. Next child, Arush Miani.
Yes, ma'am. Small hand in 6 and big hand in 8.
Small hand will exactly on 6. जब 6:45 है तो 6:40 है तो just check. Children, as we are learning time, so I request you all that everyone should have a small clock with them so that they can practically do and see.
Ma'am, in my room, a boy is
Very good, Moksh. So 6:40 exactly it will be on 6. Ayush,
No, ma'am.
then see the timing. It will be in between. It will be in between where?
6 and 7.
And the long hand will be on
8.
8.
I'm like this. See, in this 6:40.
Now show me. Yes. Very good. So you have changed the timing?
Yes.
Okay. So that's the reason I'm telling you, bring such small clocks with you so that you can see, turn the timing and see where is the short and where is the long hand it is going. Okay.
Ma'am, in worksheet I can't. Ma'am, my worksheet I want to do that way only, but in worksheet I can't do that way. That's why I've done that 6 only and 6 and what left and 45
Why?
and 45.
Why?
Because I can't. That was not going there. That's it.
Okay. Next is 4:45. Next child, who will give me the answer? Tell your name first.
Ma'am, I can.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I
the
tell?
short hand. Ma'am, the short hand will be near 5 and the long hand will be near 9.
Very good. Long hand will exactly on 9, but the short hand will be in between. It is more closer to the 5. But it is not exactly on 5. It will be between 4 and 5 when it is 4:45. So I'll show you the hands also in the clock. You can see the first clock is showing 3:10. The second clock is showing, see, it is not exactly on 6. It's slightly moved towards the 7 and the long hand is on 8. When we see the third clock, you can see here when it is 4:45, it is not exactly on 5. It is little closer to 5, but the long hand is exactly on 9. And when it is 2:20, it is showing little wrong. 2:20 में कहाँ होगा? Shorthand will be more closer to. Shorthand will be in between where? When it is 2:20.
Ma'am, 220. Ma'am, 2. It will be between 2 and 3.
Yes. It will be in between 2 and 3. when it is like this. No, it is 120. Can you see this now? Yes. Now next, go to the next question. There here 315. Both the hands will be on 3, and when it is 7:35, you can check here. 7:35. Done, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi, you want to show me your clocks?
Ma'am, I also want
Yes,
to show
ma'am.
my clock.
You students, please raise your virtual hand, and then I'll call your name one by one. Yes,
Ma'am,
Vedi.
Two
Yes,
clock.
Vedi, but it is ulta showing. You hold like this. Yes. No, let me pin. No. No, now it is ulta. You hold the another way. Yes, now it is showing. But your hands are not differentiate which is the short and which is the okay. Yes. Now tell me. Your first
Ma'am,
clock is showing what time? Dheer
Ma'am, the
Kinsara.
first clock
Wait,
is
Vedi,
showing.
Vedi. Let me talk with Dheer. Dheer, every time in all the classes, you speak without taking permission. You need to take the permission and then you give the answer. I'm telling you, warning you this last time now. Because you face lot of network issue that you talk in between, that some silence is there, you're not answering also. Then again, this is happening. So be quiet and I will call your name. I know that you have done. Okay? Yes, Vedi, continue.
Ma'am, the first time is showing 12:50.
Can you show me what 12, 15, how you have drawn the hands? First one is, this is showing 6 o'clock, right?
Ma'am, this one.
Okay, this is showing 240. When it is 240, the shorthand will be in between, and your 40 is also wrong.
Ma'am, it's 12:40.
1240. Okay. Yeah. Now right. And the another is 330 or 830. 830.
8:30.
Yeah, right. And then it is third one is 4 o'clock.
4:00.
Then
Yes,
6
ma'am.
o'clock.
Yes.
Done. Good. Yes, Dheer. Now show me. Now he is not there. Yes, show me. Okay, show me. This way you have done the clock. Numbers ही पूरे नहीं लिखे हैं. And telling them I have done. See, if you show this type of clock to anyone, where is your 8 number is going? Where is your 9 number is going? As I already instructed, opposite to 3, there should be 9. You will make the clocks again. Yes, next child. And Vihan Vyas, Viha Pragyan, Hiya Krishavurya. In complete whole period, your cameras are off. Hiya and Krishavurya. Vihan Vyas, show me a clock. Hiya, show me your clock. Because they are not doing, that's why they're leaving the class. Lakshya Dola, show me a clock.
Ma'am,
I know these students, they don't do. Yes, show me. This is the clock. See the page which you are showing me. As I told you, take some circular object and draw the clock. This is the clock. This is the way to draw a clock. लक्ष्य क्या किया है आपने पूरे 1 पीरियड में? First of all, mute yourself. whenever I ask questions from you, some background voices are coming. एक तो आप सबके बीच में पढ़ने बैठते हैं. It is wrong. Draw again. Take some circular object. अगर आप circular नहीं बना रहे हैं clock, तो आप square में बनाइए. And take original clock with you. देख देख के उसको बनाओ कैसे numbers डले हुए हैं. You cannot write any number anywhere. कहीं भी नहीं लिख सकते हो clock में numbers. Clock is having some systems. Yes, Arush Miyani, show me. Yes. Show me the timing. What time your first clock is showing? Let me pin you. It's 2:05. So खाली 5 नहीं लिखेंगे, आप 05 लिखेंगे. जब भी single digit number होता है, we write the 0 first.
Okay, ma'am.
So 2:05. Now show me. Wait a minute. Yes. Next is showing 7:10. Yes. Next is showing 11:10. Yes. And the last is 3. Good. Next child. Children, it's your work. आप उसको कितना सुंदर बना सकते हैं? It's your creativity. आपके वर्क को आपको गंदा दिखाना है?
Ma'am, there are my full name.
What?
Ma'am, there is my full name.
Okay. Yes, Mohammed. Moin Kuledi.
Ma'am, after Moin, can I show?
Yes. Moin, your nothing is visible. Completely blurred. Nothing is visible. Yes, Shivani. Today, Asta has done the excellent job. Arav has shown me good. Abiha has done well. And Pritika is good. Mohammed Momin has done good. Harsh Keshwani also showed me something 1 o'clock, no? Good. And Jignesh, excellent, is doing in the worksheet.
Ma'am.
I want, yes, Shivani. Wait, I'll pin you. First Shivani, I'll pin, and Shivangini, I'll pin, and then Shivani. Wait. Yes, what is the time written? It's 6:35. Yes. When it is 6:35, the shorthand will be closer to in between 6 and 7. Not in between 5 and 6.
6 and 7 ni bacche.
Got it? Second clock is right and the third clock is not showing me the time correctly. What time it is showing? 1:40. Third clock.
Ma'am, it is 1:45.
1:45. Then also it's wrong. If it is 1:45, then the shorthand is between 1 and 2. And it is not 45 also, it's 55. The long hand is on 11. So 55 hoga, 45 nahi. Yes, Shivani, show me. Shivangini, correct your answers. Shivani, bring it little closer. Can you read the timing? First clock is showing.
Ma'am, the first clock is showing 8 o'clock.
Okay, next.
Next clock is showing 12 o'clock.
Okay.
Third clock is showing 6:15.
Okay.
And the last clock is showing 3:50.
Now show me.
Yes, ma'am. See.
Your 6:15 is wrong because it is showing 7:15, not 6:15. Shorthand 7 पर है, तो 7:15 ही दिखाएगा ना. And next, now take it up again. Take your book again up. And your numbers are also not on proper distance. आपने जो क्लॉक बनाया है उन नंबर्स के बीच में एक प्रॉपर डिस्टेंस नहीं है, प्रॉपर गैप नहीं है. So you try today, do one thing, take a clock with you and observe the clock properly and see the distance between the numbers. Proper distance, same gap होना चाहिए. 12 से 1 पे आप गए तो
Ma'am, I
5
don't have
lines
any
can.
clock.
घर पे क्लॉक ही नहीं है, आप टाइम किस में देखते हो?
Ma'am, father says that I'll bring it for you.
No, when they, I think it must be everyone is having small or the big clock at home.
Yes, ma'am, I have that.
Okay. So observe the gap between the numbers. ऐसा नहीं कि 4 और 5 में तो आपने छोटा ही गैप छोड़ा, 5 और 6 के बीच में आपने बहुत सारा गैप छोड़ दिया. प्रॉपर गैप होना चाहिए नंबर्स के बीच में. Clear?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, students. Thank you for today's class. Vihan Vyas, you have not shown me today. I'll see your notebook tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye, ma'am. Have a good day. Bye.